I've just witnessed a seal catching a salmon. The seal has the salmon in his mouth, and there's a seagull that wants to take a bite of that salmon. They've been playing cat and mouse for a few minutes. I just started recording. The seal goes underwater. He has the salmon in his mouth. The seagull wants the salmon. It's bird versus seal. Who is going to emerge victorious? This seagull has the patience of Job. He has been waiting for his moment. He knows the seal has to come back to the surface. The seal can't eat the salmon underwater. He has to resurface. They've been doing this for a few minutes. I just started recording, and you will not believe what happens. Could you survive in the wild? Would you have patience? Or do you not even have patience enough to watch this video till its conclusion? This seagull knows there's a payoff if he has patience. How long can the seal hold his breath? He's got a salmon in his mouth. He's hungry. All right, let's just watch. How did I have the patience to film this? I got nothing else to do. Okay, the seagull sees. Yeah, the seal has resurfaced. The seagull bailed. Why did the seagull bail? Look, zoom. Here comes the eagle. Snaps the seal on the top of the head, dislodges the salmon, scoops down and takes the salmon and takes off. The eagle wins. And the seagull can just follow, dejected, knowing he is not going to eat tonight. Incredible. Did you see that? Did you see that?